Tibetan has been using yak butter and yak milk on their skin to protect from the harsh weather on the plateau. It protects your skin from sun rays. It is also known like they have the antioxidant elements in it so that it can prevent and slow down skin aging. My name is Dolmalamo. It has been 3 years since I have started making the handmade soap. In our workshop, we have 16 local people and mostly local women working for us. They prefer coming to our workshop to work so that they can look after their family and also earn a salary which can help them with their daily expense and educate their children. At first, when I start teaching my student, the way I learned from Thailand and US, it was extremely difficult for them to learn it, because later I came to know that they have never been to school. So we started marking the measuring cup with color tape and color string, marking all different kind of oil with color string. So later we came up with our own way how to make this yak soap in a different and our unique way. We don't have any special equipment. We use a bowl to heat up the oil and the tools to mix the mixture of oil and the lye water. When it comes to some thickness, we start to put in our essential oils and our ingredients like Himalayan salt, turmeric and black charcoal powder. We have 10 different flavors we make. After the 24 hours, we have to take out our soap out of the mold and cut it in the shape you like and stamp it your logo, and we start curing the soap for 40 days. We sell our product online and offline. We have store in Lithang, Old Town and Thendu City. We also have retailers in Canada, USA, Colorado, in Germany and Vietnam. A customer replied us saying that he start loving to wash his hand daily because it doesn't make his hand and his skin dry. And we also have feedback, customers saying they want to know more about, learn more about our product and the story behind it. People on the plateau, we make our tent out of yak wool, we make our shoes and bags out of yak skin, and we get our dairy products like milk, yogurt, cheese and butter from yak. And we make yak dung as a fuel, and also yak will help us to transfer from one place to another by carrying our luggage. So the people living on the plateau cannot imagine their life without the yak beside them.